Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download CapCut on your iPhone or iPad. So watch this video till the end to understand this properly. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the App Store, then go to the search bar in the bottom and now towards the top of the screen, tap add to that search bar and then just search for CapCut. After that, you can easily find the CapCut app, and all you have to do now is, in order to download CapCut, is just tap at that cloud icon or add get button, which will be located right over here. Just tap on it and it will start downloading the app on your device, and all you have to do is just wait for the application to finish downloading, and after that you can tap on open button to start the application. So that's how you can download CapCut in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.